Welcome back to the channel. Let's see if we can't start this thing. Yeah.
Oh, life could be a dream if I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweet.
About a week ago, I put this stuff in down each one of the spark plug holes. I don't know if you can see that. Where's my light? It's not here. I put some fogging oil down in these spark plug holes there, so it's not quite as much of a dry start. And right down there, I don't know if you can see. Let me try to get this. Let me see here. It just won't. It just won't. Right here. Can you see that? This is the line here going up to the master cylinder there. Let me get on this side. Here's the master cylinder for the clutch, the reservoir. Lines run over there and then down. Here you can see the clutch pedal that was installed and the brake pedal there. It mounted into the pedal box here. I'm not sure if you can see. Let me see if I can get the light up in there. You can see up there where it goes to the master cylinder. We're going to have to cut the transmission tunnel out here because, as you can see, it hits when you go to first, third, or fifth. So the plan is to cut about 1/4 inch out of there so I can shift it up into first. Vroom vroom, yeah! Let's try a little bit of starter fluid in this thing. This should get her going. Oh no. It's just coming out in like a stream. Let's try that. ready for that. Wow. Wow. That is so cool. Let's try it again. Yeah. Sweet. As you can hear, there's no exhaust. It's just an open manifold. I guess you can't see. Let me grab this. I don't know if you can see that down there, but it's just coming right out of the manifold. No exhaust. But that is awesome. I don't even know if the lights work. Where are the lights? Parking lights work. No headlights. I don't know what's going on here. Guess the headlights don't work. Huh. Or that side marker. Guess there's no headlights. That is awesome. Yeah, it's super loud, that's for sure. But over here, sorry, it's so dark. Let me close this garage door so I have these lights. That is awesome. Oh, now I got something in the way. But over here, I have exhaust system. I don't know if you can see in there, but new exhaust that we installed came with its tip. There's all the gaskets, clamps. Get this out of here. See that? I'm bolting all this stuff on. Yeah. And then over here I have, it's just a mess here. Over here is my driver's side floor pan. I will show you why I need that. Passenger side is good. Driver's side, not so much. Which it wasn't as bad when I found the car, but I was just seeing what we're dealing with, and I broke some of that out there. But as you can see, we're rolling Flintstone style. So I'm going to cut that out and weld in that new pan. which will be much better. But that's a later date. But yeah, I wish it was daylight outside instead of being dark. That's the problem with working, huh? But yeah, what else? Here, let me grab this light again. It has the original that's in the spare here. There's a bunch of parts there. But as you can see, the original spare tire here. And then it has the, I don't know if you can see this light here. Can you see that? The tire inflator, pressurized tank. I don't know if it works, but it's there. But yeah, the tires, yeah, it's friggin' awesome. And what else? Let me see. Sorry, it's cramped in here. But yeah, what else did I want to go over? I guess the main goal was just to start the car. The guy that I that had the car previously, he said when it was parked, it was running. He didn't see a problem getting the car running, and yeah, easier than I anticipated. But she still needs a lot of love, but well worth it. Oh, here's the flex plate that I had to pull out. Like that shim was behind there for the automatic transmission. Don't need that anymore. But yeah. Love this car. Thank you for checking out my channel. If you could comment, rate, and subscribe, you'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you. Yeah.